You know what they say, the curls get the girls. So what we have here is the HVO bicep and tricep arm curl. This thing right here is nice, fully adjustable, and gives you great options to change up your fitness routine. Now, just about everybody's fitness routine has some sort of arm curls. This right here, using this preacher pad, makes things a whole lot easier on your arms, and to make sure you get more better proper form in the process of that. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with doing some free weights every now and then to do it, but this right here, if you're looking to improve your technique to make sure you are doing exactly what you need to, this preacher pad helps out so much. And while you're working this machine, like I said, we have quite a few different settings we're able to sit here and do. Of course, I mean, depending on where you position yourself, I mean, it's all up to you. Now we can sit here, got this, we can move to whatever starting position we want this to be at. Say we want to start right here and just do a short range, we can do that. You need more stretch. We have 24 options. Now if we come to this side of the machine, you can actually see we have lots of adjustments we can do here as well. We got 6 different adjustments, so we can get this exactly where we want it and just tighten it down. If we move a little lower down here to the seat, depending on how tall you are, we have 7 more adjustments just for the seat. So we got a wide range of where we can set this up at to make sure you're able to fit your body. Now I know there's some of y'all, Jeff, I don't like that handle. Well, HVO made it easy to take off, and with this simple pin, I now have a rope on here. I don't want the rope. It's easy, I got a carabiner right there, so I can put whatever attachment I want on there. So like I just showed you, we now get a nice good face pull with this. As a whole 30 seconds to change that out, not even 30 seconds. Now you might be like, well, it's just a machine that's going to be taking up some room. Yeah, it does take up some room, but with something like this, you're able to improve your form, and at the same time, the way you're doing your routine, you're changing it up a little on your muscles. So we got different attachments we're able to put on here, and compared to just standing, we know we're going to be locked in. So we're able to sit there and really dial in what we're wanting to do with this preacher pad right here. And in the process, that is going to help stimulate your muscle growth, where you can be able to put more and more weight on here. And besides, that's what we want to do anyway. Now, this is what you call a budget machine. Like I said, you can buy this on, I think, only on Amazon, which there's nothing wrong with the Amazon companies, especially when you're trying to look for something that has a real great price point and great customer service, because you're dealing with Amazon on it, so that makes it so easy dealing with customer service. Because I've never had any issues with Amazon, me personally I haven't, but makes that great for that. Now, while I'm over here on this side, I want to point out we have a nice metal weight horn on here. Much better than a lot of plastics you see on so-called cheaper machines. And that is a big plus. I hate them plastic sleeves you see on a lot of them where they're trying to do either the 1-inch plate or the 2-inch plates. Why even bother anymore? 1-inch plates are a thing of the past. You rarely see them anymore. If you do, it's extreme budget stuff or old stuff that no one wants to mess with anymore. Just about everything nowadays, you're going to use that 2-inch plate. So, well, I like strictly a 2-inch right there. So, I'm not having to worry about anything. It's going to fit every weight I have here in my gym. Now, point out another feature on this. We got another pin we're able to move. So now, that just like that, this is now going to be resting on the opposite side of this, and of course we would move that up there, and thus return we are now messing with our triceps instead of our biceps. Now, like I said, with us moving that pin over there, we're now, instead of focusing on our biceps, we're now going to sit here and focus on triceps. So we can sit here, adjust this however we're wanting, and now really focus on a different muscle group. Now, not all these machines you see on these bicep, tricep, preacher curl machines are you able to accomplish that. That's thanks to, like I said, these 24 different adjustments on here. This stop block right here to make it where we can do whatever we're wanting to do on here to change up our fitness routine, to make it more versatile, thus in return making better gains. Now, me personally, like I said, majority of this I use for this bicep curl. I mean, it's so nice and smooth, and it makes it where I know I'm keeping constant tension on the muscle group I'm wanting to do at that moment. Now, if I'm trying to do this, it makes it where I can't, the bar, like I said, say my left arm, since it's weaker than my right arm, it might come a little slow. This right here helps compensate for that, because like I said, we got one solid bar. Now, we want to change that, we can always go to the rope, and then we can really sit there and test it to see which arm's stronger than the other. Now you might be asking, Jeff, this machine for everyone? And honestly, I'd say yes. I would highly recommend someone having some sort of preacher curl machine in their gym, just to mainly help you improve your form. Because the better form you have, the better the outcome. I mean, that's hands down to it. Like, yeah, I mean, you can start getting heavier and heavier weight and getting that sloppy form, you're still going to see some gains. But at the same time, you start doing that, you take a chance of tearing something or tweaking something and putting you down. Now, you can still do the same with this, but it's a lot harder to, because you have more control over what you are doing. Like I said, it is consistent. I mean, you're not having nothing to get you out of whack. Makes it thus return a lot better for you. And HVO did a tremendous job on this design. Like I said, it's nice and sturdy. No, I mean, it's no heavy duty commercial, but you're not in a commercial gym. You don't need full-blown commercial quality, especially for a single machine that you're only using 2 to 3 times a week. And padding's not bad on this as well, so that's always a big plus, because sometimes this padding, it just doesn't feel good. Like I said, the few weeks I've had this out, really testing it, using it, I have no complaints with that. And I have my gym, majority of my gym is a budget gym. Allows me to have more stuff in here and not hurt the pocketbook as much. And then knowing I can go on Amazon and pick this up and not have to worry about anything, because they take care of everything. If there's any issues, I mean, what else do you need? So you're one of the ones that need the resistant bands. There's a hook right there for you. Now, will you start seeing more HVO stuff in my gym? Maybe. Like I said, I have no complaints with this. I've had nothing but great luck so far with it. Would I buy more of their products? Better believe it. Now, I do have a link down in the description. If you're wanting to pick this up, it is an affiliate link. That does help me pay for all this that goes on in here. I'd love if you click it. And at the same time, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. You can always leave a comment down below. Share this video. Helps the channel out big time. Hope y'all like seeing this little quick review of the HVO Preacher Curl. I do have full video after this, on this video, of putting this together. So stick around, watch that if you need to know how to put it together. I go through step by step. It's real simple. They have great instructions with it compared to some of the other companies. So till next time, y'all take it easy. Now, I know y'all watched the review over this. Now, stick around. Let me show you how to put it all together. It is real simple, not much to it. All you need is just a few sockets and wrenches. Now, as you see, we have our parts all laid out. Like I said, this is going to be a fairly simple put together with this. Like I said, not a whole lot of pieces. Like I said, the harder stuff's already together, like that right there. So we'll dive right into this so I can show you how this goes together. So as we start off, we have this piece right here, which bolts right down here to our base plate. And we also put this in that's held in with a cotter pin. Next, we come to this part and we bolt this to it. Like I said, real simple down there. Now to this same bracket, we come and we bolt this up here with 3 bolts. Next, we take both of these brackets that we just put together, forming our base, and we bolt it up here on the upright, and we bolt it right down there to the base. So now we have a good base put together. Now we'll get one of our knobs, insert it back here, and this will slide off in that tube, and that way we have adjustments. Now we attach our seat bracket to our seat. And now we can attach our seat to the other seat, the adjustable seat bracket. So we now have adjustment right up here where we can loosen that, slide that exactly where we want. And we have this right here so we can move that exactly where we want. And now using more Allen bolts, we attach this bracket to our Preacher Curl pad. And then we slide it into the machine and we have a knob right here so we can set our adjustment. Now with our arm, we have this bracket will go on the side. We got this, it'll come off. And so when it's all bolted together, we have that set up. Next, we're going to install our pull bar. Like I said, now this right here, as you see, we have this clamp right there so we can slide this off easily. So we can actually use different attachments on this, which by now you would have already seen in the first half of the video. Now we're going to install our stop. Like I said, it's held in by a cotter pin as well. So simple and easy. That way this can only go back so far. Thanks again for watching this full video of my personal review and the setup of this machine. Y'all hit that subscribe button. And until next time, be sure to watch these videos off over here. And as always, y'all take it easy.